Hello all, welcome back to our channel. నా పేరు మాయా. ఈరోజు మనం డయాబెటీస్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. Now what is diabetes? Diabetes ఏంటంటే sugar builds up in the bloodstream. This is because the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin. Now what are the causes of diabetes? Diabetes can be caused by genetic or environmental factors. Now, how to reduce diabetes or control diabetes? First of all, don't stress so much. Just try to lose that extra weight. Try to be try some physical activity. Include healthy fats in your diet. Go for plant-based foods. Plants provide vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates to your body through your diet. Skip all the fad diets and go for healthy options. Now let's see some easy peasy home workouts to control or regulate diabetes. Leg swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, chest openers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now next, go for hip rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next one is butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next ones are punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one would be heel raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So practice all these exercises, be physically active, go for some activity routine like swimming, jogging, walking, strength training, yoga, Zumba, Pilates, whatever you like, and be proper on your diet. Stop sugary foods, junks, processed foods, and yes, this will help control your diet. Thank you.